Under the relentless sun, the African savanna unfolds, an endless expanse of gold. The pride feasts, tearing flesh from bone, their savage symphony echoing across the plains. Each powerful tear resonates with the raw, primal energy of survival. The air vibrates with their triumphant roars. The echo of the lion's claim to their kingdom. In the heart of the tall grass, a band of early humans lurks, their eyes fixed on the pride of lions. Hunger and desperation etch lines onto their faces as they contemplate their next move. Korg, the leader, senses danger and issues a guttural warning. Grunts a warning. The lions, oblivious, continue their prowl, unaware of the eyes watching them from the sea of green. As twilight blankets the savanna, a skeletal testament to the lion's feast looms. Humans emerge from the shadows of the trees, their eyes searching, their hearts pounding with the rhythm of survival. With hesitant steps, they approach the carcass, their every move a dance between hope and despair. They scavenge for scraps of meat and marrow, their hands stained with the colors of desperation. In this desolate landscape, survival is a battle fought with hunger as their only weapon. The tribe seeks refuge in the suffocating darkness of a damp cave, their hopes dwindling with each passing moment. In the heart of the cave, hunger gnaws at their bellies as they share what little sustenance remains. Shadows dance on the cave walls, each flicker amplifying the fear that permeates the air. The weight of their despair hangs heavy, their faces etched with the grim reality of survival. Each shared glance speaks of unspoken terrors, their collective dread a palpable force. In this sanctuary of stone and shadow, the tribe clings to one another, praying for a dawn that may never come. Under the relentless sun, the tribe treads wearily across the parched savanna, their hopes dimming with each passing day. The endless horizon mocks their hunger, offering no respite from the gnawing emptiness. Each rustle of grass, each shadow, sharpens their senses, a constant reminder of the dangers lurking unseen. With every step, their resolve is tested, their faces etched with desperation and unwavering determination. Even as hope dwindles, they press on, driven by the primal instinct to survive, to protect their own. In the heart of the savanna, the tribe continues its endless search for food and safety, their fate hanging in the balance. The sky splits open with a blinding flash, heralding the storm's fury. A giant acacia tree is struck, its ancient form momentarily outlined in searing light. Flames erupt from the wounded tree, a dance of fiery destruction against the stormy backdrop. The savanna is illuminated by the terrifying beauty of the blaze, a spectacle of orange and red. Deep inside the cave, the tribe huddles together, their faces etched with a mix of fear and curiosity. The distant fire flickers beyond the cave entrance, casting long, dancing shadows on the cave walls. Their eyes dart back and forth between the storm raging outside and each other, seeking reassurance. Fear battles curiosity as they remain huddled, watching the elemental display unfold before them. The storm rages outside, rain blurring the entrance of the ancient cave. Old Nana sits in silence, her face illuminated by the flickering firelight. The flames dance with wild abandon, casting eerie shadows across the cave walls. I recognize the power in these flames. Caution, but also approach, is needed, Old Nana murmurs, her voice echoing in the cavern. The storm's wrath subsides, unveiling a smoldering wasteland under the bleak daylight. Korg forges ahead, leading his small band towards the heart of the devastation. They venture deeper into the blighted expanse, their faces grim against the smoky haze. The burning tree awaits, a stark testament to nature's fury. In the aftermath of the storm, a tree blazes fiercely, its light piercing the recovering day. They cautiously circle the inferno, drawn by the intensity of the heat and light. The air crackles with an almost palpable energy. Mesmerized, they stand at the edge of destruction, witnessing nature's raw power. Amidst the storm's aftermath, a tree blazes fiercely against the daylight. Guided by an unseen force, Korg's eyes reflect determination. With a decisive move, Korg snaps off a flaming branch. He lifts the burning branch high, the ember glowing like a captured star. The burning ember casts a fiery glow, a beacon of hope amidst devastation. In his grasp, the ember glows, a symbol of resilience and survival. The savanna, still wet and gleaming after the storm, sees Korg returning, a burning branch held high. The tribe trails behind, their faces lit by the flickering fire, awe etched in every gaze. Korg approaches the mouth of the cave, the burning branch a beacon against the fading light. The tribe gathers at the cave entrance, the promise of warmth and light drawing them closer. Inside the cave, Korg plants the burning branch, and the tribe watches in silent reverence. The cave transforms under the flickering firelight, shadows dancing across rough stone. Faces glow with a primal wonder, lost in the mesmerizing dance of the flames. The fire crackles, a symphony of light and sound echoing through the ancient space. Tribal members are captivated, their silhouettes painting stories against the cavern walls. The heart of the tribe beats in unison with the fire's rhythmic pulse. In the depths of the cave, the fire binds them, a beacon of unity and survival. In the heart of the cave, they begin to feed the fire, nurturing its fragile life against the encroaching darkness. The fire grows, its warmth a defiant embrace against the cave's chilling dampness. United, they shield the tender flames from the wind's persistent whispers and the rain's relentless assault. Slowly, the cave transforms, no longer a cold, damp prison, but a sanctuary, a haven of warmth and flickering shadows. The cave pulses with newfound life, a testament to their resilience and unity. In the heart of the cave, the fire casts flickering shadows, illuminating the faces of those gathered. The aroma of roasting meat fills the air, a promise of nourishment and survival. Each bite is savored, the rich flavors awakening primal instincts. Strength and warmth return, fueling both body and mind in the refuge of the night. The cave at night, a sanctuary where firelight battles encroaching darkness. Flickering shadows dance across the cave walls, a silent ballet of light and darkness. The tribe's faces glow in the orange light, each telling a story of hardship and hope. A collective sigh escapes their lips, a shared moment of relief and newfound safety. In the heart of the cave, they find solace, a haven from the dangers that lurk outside. Flickering firelight dances across the cave walls, painting eerie shadows that seem to whisper ancient secrets. Nana sits cross-legged by the fire, her face a map of time and wisdom, her presence filling the cavern with a sense of timelessness. Her voice, a soothing rumble, echoes through the cave as she weaves tales of ancestors and the great hunts. Stories of strength and courage fill the air, resonating with the ancient spirits that roam the land. Unseen forces shape their world, as Nana's stories bridge the gap between the living and the spirits. In the heart of the cave, firelight flickers, painting the rough stone walls with shadows that dance and writhe. Korg gestures with a rocky hand, his voice a deep rumble that echoes through the cavern, resonating with ancient wisdom. The firelight illuminates Korg's face, revealing the deep lines etched by time and the weight of knowledge. His words weave tales of celestial events and earthly transformations, connecting the stars to the very ground beneath them. The cave comes alive as firelight paints the walls with shadows, casting the tribe members in an ancient, flickering tableau. Faces glow with the warmth of the fire. Bonds strengthen as ancient stories and knowledge fill the air. Laughter echoes through the cavern, a symphony of shared experiences binding the tribe together. The fire crackles, sending sparks dancing into the night, as the tribe's unity glows brighter. In the heart of the cave, the tribe shares tales of old, their spirits intertwined with the fire's eternal dance. In the heart of the cave, the fire's glow casts dancing shadows, beckoning young Elara with its warmth. Elara's eyes reflect the flickering flames as her hand inches closer, drawn by the fire's mysterious allure. With a tender touch, Nana intervenes, gently steering Elara's curious hand away from the tempting danger. Nana's voice fills the cave. "We must respect the fire, little one. It gives us warmth and light, but it can also burn." Under the expansive savanna sky, a fierce fire roars, casting an orange glow across the land. Tribal members stand as silent sentinels, their faces reflecting the fire's raw power. The fire serves as an impassable boundary, warding off unseen threats in the deepening twilight. The air hangs heavy, filled with the primal sense of wood smoke and the elusive promise of safety. The tribal members, silhouettes against the firelight, remain vigilant. The fire crackles, a symbol of protection against the vast, unknown wilderness. Beneath the expansive African sky, early humans converge around a small, flickering fire, their silhouettes stark against the horizon. The flames dance as they roast plants and roots, a testament to their burgeoning knowledge and adaptability. The scent of roasting vegetation fills the air, a symbol of their improved health and vitality. Their faces glow, reflecting a new era of sustenance and resilience. In the heart of the cave, a campfire crackles, its light painting the rough walls with stories of old. The fire is their society's heart, a beacon of hope against the encroaching darkness. Faces emerge from the gloom, each etched with the harsh realities of survival, resilience shining in their eyes. Around the fire's embrace, tales of survival intertwine, weaving a tapestry of shared strength and endurance. In the heart of the cave, the tribe finds solace in slumber, their faces lit by the fire's glow. The flames dance, painting stories of warmth and unity on the ancient cave walls. In their dreams, a brighter future unfolds, a vision of hope, shimmering in the darkness. Protected from the night's chill, their collective dreams weave a tapestry of promise. Dawn breaks over the vast African savanna, painting the landscape in a radiant golden light. From the depths of the cave, the tribe emerges, their faces illuminated by the promise of a new day. The fire within their hearts burns bright, fueling their spirits as they prepare to face whatever lies ahead. United, they stand as one against the backdrop of the awakening savanna, ready to embrace the challenges and triumphs that await.